into half headstand. So come back down on all four and straight away go on your forearm. Interlock your fingers, form a triangle shape with your hands. Now take a deep breath in and place your forehead on the mat. Now ready? Take a deep breath in, curl your toes in, and slowly go up. And try to walk forward. And hold. Now breathe in again, bend the knee, go back down on the mat. Now you already know where your leg positions are, so what you need to do, move the block closer, and you have to curl your toes in, and place the block nicely underneath your heel. Now ready? Go back down, on your forearm, interlock the fingers, take a deep breath in, forehead on the mat. Breathe out. Now breathe in again. Slowly come up and breathe out. Now adjust your block position and step on it. And try to raise your butt as high as you can. Keep on breathing. And make sure you're not supposed to press the mat too much. And hold.